The Samsung Galaxy A10s is one of the recently released budget-friendly devices from Samsung, priced at about 45,300 naira. And so a frequently asked question about the device is Samsung compromising quality for affordability? That we're about to find out in this video. But just before we do that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already and hit the notification bell to get updates on all our videos. Alright, this looks premium and very fragile. Even though tapping on the back of the device, it feels plastic, and the well-defined edges do not give off that delicate feel. Starting the device, the colors on the Galaxy A10s look vibrant, giving a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels. There's a big screen in front which houses the front-facing camera, volume rocker and SIM tray on the left side of the device, the power button on the other side, which is a switch off from the A10, the speaker grill, USB port, and 3.5mm headphone jack at the bottom. At the back, you have a dual rear camera, LED flash, and fingerprint scanner. On to the specs of the device. There's 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, expandable to 512GB using a memory card, 4000 mAh battery capacity, and the device supports fast charging. But it's noteworthy that the charger isn't Type-C. There's an Octa-core Helio P22 processor and operates on Android 9 Pie. Over to the camera of the A10s. It has a 13-megapixel primary camera, an additional depth sensor for the rear camera, and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Tried out a few shots in this playful shoot using the rear camera, as well as selfies taken in the studio and outdoor. I also recorded this video on a preset resolution of 1080p, which also captures superb audio quality. That's it on the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments on what you'd like to see in a more detailed review of the device.